Hello, can you hear me okay?
Yeah, I can hear you. I can see you properly.
Awesome. How are you doing today?
I'm great. And how have you been?
I've been great. I've been great. It's so nice to see you. It's been a while since we've spoken.
Yeah, exactly. No, long time no see.
Yes, long time no see. So what have you been up to the last few months?
Yeah, I had university exams and also I had online classes.
Okay,
So I had to attend those classes and also I had to finish the university exams.
I
Now,
see. I see. And are
my
you finished university now or
yeah,
do you still have more semesters to go?
yeah, I have 2 semesters
Okay.
to go, but that means 1 year. And
Okay.
so after my graduation, I want to get a decent job in my fields.
Yes, of course. That's great. And how did your exams go that you had?
Yeah, those exams went well, really well, and those were conducted through online mode.
Okay, okay. So when you were doing the exams, none of them you did in person. All of them were just done
Yeah,
through your computer
all of
then.
them. Yeah, all of them were done through computer.
I see. And what do you like this style of taking exams, or what was that like for you, that experience?
Yeah, to be honest, like I like to attend the college and also I like to attend the exams through offline because
Okay,
it will be more effective
okay,
for the students because and also they can attend the practical classes and also practical exams. So we are really unlucky to have such corona, and due to corona we
of
cannot
course.
attend the classes through offline.
Of course, of course, yes. I think that a lot of people prefer, yeah, to be taking classes in person because, especially when it's practical things, as you were
Yeah,
saying.
because we are in electronics and communication engineering field, so we
Yes,
need to uh, visualize, we need to have experience, practical
yes,
experience.
yes, of course, of course. Now, were any of your exams especially difficult, or did you find them more challenging than you were expecting?
Yeah, one of them was too tough, and we, along with me, my friends could not think that it would be more tough.
Okay, you could say maybe my friends and I didn't expect it to be that tough.
Okay, great. And my friends and me didn't expect this that exam would be tough.
Okay, I see. I see. Well, yeah, sometimes that's hard when you're expecting it to be one way, right? And it's more challenging than you thought. That can
Hmm.
be hard. So, did you receive all of your results back already from your exams?
No, we are waiting for the results. I think the
Okay,
results will be published next month.
next month. Okay, that's good. That's good. And once you receive these results from your exams, then um, do you have a vacation or a period of time that will be a break in between semesters, or will you just start the new semester right away?